Okay, we're going to be factoring out a GCF, or greatest common factor. And we do that by saying, what do these have in common? Well, in both of these, I see a 2 and a 10, and I know that 2 and 10 have a 2 in common. And then if I think about this, that d cubed means d times d times d, and d squared means d times d. How many d's do I see in common in both of these? Well, they both have 2 in there. So I could factor out a d squared. Now what I like to think about this is saying, I'm going to kind of do the backwards of distributing. Like I would distribute, right? But this is the opposite. What times d will get me d cubed? Well, I need another d there. And what times d squared would get me 10d? Well, that has to be -5. And this is the opposite of distributing. So let's just check it again. 10d squared times d is 10d cubed. 2d squared times -5 would get me -10. Okay, let's try another one. How many j's do these all have in common? Well, they all have 4 j's in them. So I could put a j4 on the outside. And what number do these all have in common? Well, they all have a 2, but they also all have a 4. Will 8 go into all of these? Yes, 8 will divide evenly into all of these. So, what do I need to multiply times this to get this here? Well, it's already got the 8, and it's already got 4 j's, so I need 3 more to make this many over here. Okay, my next one. What do I need to multiply times this to get this one? Well, it's already got an 8. I put the negative sign down already, and I've got 4 j's here, so I need 2 more j's on this side. The next one. What times this? Well, I know I need 5 times 8 to get 40. So 5 times 8 gets me 40. And then how many more j's do I need here? Well, I already have 4 and I need 5. So that means I need 1 more j. And then my last one here, what times 8 gives me 32? Well, that's 4. And I already have this times this already has 4 j's, and I need 4 j's, so that's it. All right, the last one. This one has 2 letters in it. So we're going to go through each part. Okay, do these all 3 have 6 in it? No, 2 doesn't have a 6. So 2 is the biggest number I can take out, and I'm going to kind of put it below. And then I have H's and I have J's. I was too fast writing my thing down here. I made a mistake. All right. How many H's do we see? Well, this one, the smallest H's, I'm looking for kind of the smallest one. The smallest one is 3. So I can have H to the 3. And then my J's, the smallest J is a J to the 2. All right. So what times this will get me this one? Well, 2 times 3 will get me 6. If I have 3 H's here, how many more do I need to get 10? Well, that's 7 more. And then I already have 2 J's here, and I need 2 J's here, so I don't need any more J's. Okay, the next one. What times this one will get me this one? Well, 2 times 6 will get me 12. How many more H's do I need? Well, I need 2 more H's here. 2 and 3 makes 5. And how many J's do I need? Well, I need 4 more J's here to go with these 2 to make 6. So J to the 4. And then the last one, well, I need a negative because it's a negative here. I already have the 2 here, so I don't need a 2. And then I already have the H here, and I already have the J there. So this is a good example. What do I do when I have everything here that I need up there? I put a 1 there. Because when I would distribute it, this times this will get me this. So that's it.